Neapolitan pizza. Originating in Naples, Italy, this pizza is known for its soft, thin center and airy, slightly charred crust. It is traditionally baked in a wood-fired oven at very high temperatures, which cooks the pizza in under 2 minutes. The toppings are simple, usually tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil, olive oil, and salt. Its importance comes from its focus on balance and freshness, showing how a few high-quality ingredients can define an entire culinary tradition. New York-style pizza. Developed by Italian immigrants in New York City, this pizza features a large, thin, foldable slice with a crisp yet flexible crust. The dough uses high gluten flour, giving it strength and chewiness. It is typically topped with tomato sauce and shredded mozzarella, then sold by the slice in busy urban settings. Its popularity reflects fast city life, where food needed to be affordable, portable, and satisfying. Chicago deep dish pizza. Created in Chicago during the 1940s, this pizza looks more like a pie than a flatbread. The crust is thick and buttery, pressed into a deep pan and layered with cheese, toppings, and chunky tomato sauce placed on top. Baking takes longer, allowing flavors to develop slowly. It stands out because it transforms pizza into a heavy, sit-down meal rather than quick street food. Sicilian pizza. Originating from Sicily, this pizza is baked in a rectangular tray and has a thick, fluffy crust similar to focaccia bread. The dough rises longer, creating a light interior with a crisp bottom. Traditionally, the sauce sits on top of the cheese, and toppings remain minimal. Its shape and texture reflect home cooking traditions, where pizzas were made to feed families rather than individual diners. Detroit-style pizza. Born in Detroit, Michigan, this pizza is rectangular and baked in steel pans originally used in automotive factories. The crust becomes crispy and caramelized as cheese melts against the edges of the pan. Sauce is often added in stripes over the toppings after baking. Its industrial roots give it a unique identity, connecting local history with culinary creativity. California-style pizza. Developed in the late 20th century, this style focuses on experimentation and fresh ingredients. Thin crust serves as a base for unusual toppings like barbecue chicken, goat cheese, arugula, or seasonal vegetables. It reflects California's food culture, which values innovation, fusion cuisine, and farm-to-table freshness rather than strict tradition. Margarita pizza. Named after Queen Margherita of Italy, this pizza represents the colors of the Italian flag through tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. It is closely related to Neapolitan pizza, but celebrated worldwide as a symbol of classic Italian cooking. Its simplicity highlights harmony between ingredients, making it one of the most recognized pizzas globally.